Day 3.
So for this trip, oh, good morning by the way. For this trip, I brought 2 sunscreen. This is mostly for my face and sometimes body. Shiseido Perfect UV Protector SPF 50 plus PA 4 pluses, and it's very water resistant. And this is great for like boat trips and stuff, and even swimming. And then this one for body, it's easy for retouching. It's also SPF 50, and this is like a spray, and when you spray it's actually kind of cooling, so it's nice for the hot weather. And then last, okay, my bag just fell on the floor. Anyways, for the last one, for most importantly, mosquito repellent. This is, well, it's insect repellent. It's birds, bees, all natural herbal insect repellent, 100% natural, and it smells so good. It's like lemongrass, and all the ingredients are like actually natural. It's just like castor oil, rosemary oil, lemongrass oil. It smells amazing. So now we're about to head out to our day tour of Bali. And here is Carmina taking care of everything while I vlog. Yes. So we're now on our car to the first Barong dance. And then since we were running a little late, so we couldn't have breakfast, and they very kindly helped us prepare breakfast with some bread and fruits. I believe this is orange juice.
Oh, this is mine.
Wow, that's nice.
Bye-bye.
I don't know what this is, but it's interesting. Do you know what this fruit is?
We call salak.
Salak.
It's the snake skin.
Yeah, it looks like snake.
So you need take out for the skin. And the cream inside. This is it's like an apple.
Oh.
Like with salt.
Oh, interesting. I've never seen this before. Very cool. Anyways, I'm gonna dig. Arrived at the place for the dance. Just bought a ticket. It is 100,000 rupiah. Yes. Let's go. Barong and KRIS dance. Oh, this is so cool. Hello. Oh, thank you. Oh, this is so cool. Hi. Thank you. I'll wait for my friend first. I got my shades. So now we're at the silver factory. I don't know, but on the drive-in, this place is so pretty. Look at that. Wow, and these are all fake. I think they're just plastic maybe, but these are not real. Ooh. Oh, this is cute. It's like froggies. Glasses. Wow, so this is inside of the silver are those earrings? Yes, they are. Wow. Necklace. Whoa. Look at that. Wow, you can actually see them here inside working on one of these statues. It's quite interesting. It's like a person stuck inside a piece of rock. This area is pretty cool too. It's like a bunch of people climbing up the column. Yeah, it's quite interesting. They like all look different expressions, I'm a bit tired from walking. And this place is really pretty too. It's like all white and decorative with hints of gold.
A lamp's also there.
This is a pretty door. We're at this painting museum, which is right next to the temple. So let's go in and have a look. Whoopsie. Ooh, it smells nice in here. Ooh. So right here is more of a modern style with oil and canvas. And then right here, these ones are the detailed ones with acrylic. These are actually so nice. They're so detailed. This is cute. They kind of show like how the painting is done, like step by step. I guess that's pencil, and then they do the outline, shading, and then colors. Apparently just 10,000. I thought it was 100,000, so I gave 2 sheets. Yeah. How do I look? Bye-bye.
They look cute.
Danke.
Bye, have fun.
Bye. No, actually, we're gonna get some pictures first, and then I'll go in. Okay.
Later.
So right now I'm in the temple, and Carmina cannot come in because she's on your period. So ladies, if you're on your period, do not enter the temple. But it's actually quite small. It's smaller than I expected, so I think I'll be done within 10 minutes. So let's take a look around. That's weird because I was looking through the lens, and this building back looks like I'm in Beijing or something. Anyways, this is the gate that we walked in from, and this is the temple. There's actually not a lot of people. I feel like we just arrived as another tour bus arrived. That's why. This is pretty. It's nice. It's quite hard to shoot because the sun is right behind. So this is the back of the temple, and it's actually quite nice. Like the floor, you have the grass and these little things. Sorry that I don't know the proper name because I'm in here by myself without a tour guide. But this is what it looks like. Spending around 5 minutes in the temple, I am done. My name is Speedy.
I'm called Wadey.
Grumpy. Grumpy Wadey. Yeah, so now we're reunited and we're going. We're good. We're good. May wipe your dirty hands.
Thank you. Oh, so refreshing.
It's very hot outside, yeah.
Yes.
Starting to get hot.
I feel like it's not as hot as Hong Kong though. Hong Kong is so hot.
Okay. Watch me wipe my hands. So first, we want to take a wet towel. Very cool, slightly below room temperature, and then you just wipe your hands.
Wow.
Bye.
Oh, thank you. It's a tutorial.
So right now we've arrived at the UBUD market, and yeah, we're gonna do a bit of shopping for maybe around 45 minutes. It's a bit rushed, but we'll make it work. Hi, let's go. Ooh. Thank you. I just bought these elephants because my cousin loves elephants, so they're cute little souvenirs. Carmina is looking for a smaller sarong / scarf. Oh, it's pretty big. So she can wear it as a top.
I'm not getting anything.
Oh. So we've arrived on top of the mountain. It's actually a little chillier here, but it's okay, not that cold. And then we're at the restaurant where you can see the lake and volcano, and we're lucky because the weather is nice. It's actually a bit sunny. We get a bit of blue skies. Oh, it smells so good. And it's a buffet here, and I forgot the price. I think they said 300,000. I'm not sure, but to enter here was 30,000 to enter this area and then the restaurant is separate. Wow, this view is amazing. Oh my gosh. Wow. And here is our view. Hello.
Come here, wife.
How much did they say the buffet was?
120.
Oh, 120. I told them 300. Sorry, it's 120. I think 120. 120 sounds about right. Okay, wow. Wow. Hold on, let me sit down. This is amazing.
I love Bali.
This is lunch with a view. Oh, wow. So this is the restaurant that we're at.
Everything's orange.
And according to Carmina, everything's orange. You don't come here for the food, I guess.
It goes with the bag.
Yeah.
And my skin.
And also her skin, because apparently she's now an Oompa Loompa.
No, it goes with Donald Trump.
I am now in the buffet place. And wow, yes, everything is quite orange. She was not kidding. Just got my food, and this is a view from a different angle. I guess the lake's there, and that's the volcano. And we're sitting up there. Let's see if Carmina can see me. I don't think she can. Let's zoom into her. Zoom right there. Hi.
Don't drop it. Ta-da.
Don't scare me. My Belgium footages are inside.
This is very yellow.
Yeah. Oh, very spicy too. Oh, this is all veggies because I'm scared some of them are beef.
I think it's tofu.
Oh,
Everything's spicy.
spicy. Oh, so spicy. I cannot eat this yellow one.
This one?
Yeah.
What's it? Potato?
Vegetarian. All veggies. Quite spicy, right? Or was it just the one that I ate?
Oh yeah, it's spicy. It's not bad. Too much spicy soy sauce on my rice.
Wow. Are the noodles spicy? Probably. It's not.